Hey y'all, welcome back to SRL Solutions, self-reliance through preparation. Today, we're gonna talk about the easiest and best way and quickest way to start your Stihl chainsaw without it ever flooding. I have never, ever had a problem with my chainsaw flooding because I read the directions, and Stihl has, if you want to, go to the Stihl website, and they have a place for all their videos on how to cut, how to sharpen your chain, how to change the bar, how to change the fluids, all that. It's amazing. If you've never chainsawed before, you really need to go to their website and check it out. Now I'm taking a chance because this is cold. I haven't started it because I want to show how easy it is to start this. Knowing my luck, it's not going to start, but hey, we'll take a chance because that's the point of this video, is to show you that it's very, very easy to start it. For those of you that aren't really too familiar with engines, I hope you are, because you're holding a very deadly engine with a chain on it. There's 4 positions on this chainsaw. There's full choke, which chokes down the air that goes into it so there's more gasoline. So if you don't do this correctly, that floods it, all right? There's a warm switch, and there's an on switch, and then an off switch, so there's 4. You have to hold down, press down this little top button that's a lock, and hold the gas in, and flip down that switch down to the bottom position, which is your full choke position. And you will pull it until you hear what they call it burp. Like it wants to start, but it doesn't start. At that point, you've got to flip it up one spot. Do not pull the pull cord one more time or you will flood it. Guaranteed it's gonna flood if you do that. All right, here it goes. I'm gonna pull until it burps. Okay, so it took me 4 pulls for it to burp. You heard it burp. So I'm gonna flip it 1 notch up to the number 3 position, which is like half choke, and I'm gonna pull it and it will start. By the way, when you're doing this, you should always have your brake on, and you're not really, Stihl doesn't want you to do it this way, but everybody starts it this way. You're really supposed to put it on the ground, put your foot in here and pull on it, but who's got time for that, right? See, there, wanted to do it again, so I'll take it up to the on position and do it. Okay, I turned it off right away. So there you go. It's that easy just to start it. Pull it until it burps on full choke, take it off full choke, and it'll start up right up for you. Please make sure you come back. And oh, by the way, subscribe. Where is that at? This side, that side, I don't know. Just hit the subscribe button for me and come on back and watch all the videos that I have as we learn together.